Something else with drawings is when you're working with dimensions, when you go to create a dimension, for example, let's say I come in here and I create this in dimension here. When you create the dimension, you have the option up here in the format panel if you want to choose what dimension style you want to use. Otherwise, it's going to use the default style that you have specified in your styles editor. So you have that option during the creation. But what if you mess up and you forgot to choose that? Well, I can take that dimension, I can select it, come back up here to the format, pull that down, and I can change it. Maybe I change it to a default millimeter. Or if I change it to a millimeter and inch dual units, I can do that. What I really want is to change it to my standard, my husky dimension standard, which changes the text size, the precision, and the color of the text. How do I get that on all of these other dimensions? You can individually select them. You could do that. You could hold down the control key, the shift key, and you can change multiples at once. That is one option. The option I like to use best is change one dimension, right click on it, choose copy properties, and then you can individually select the dimension, say that one, or you can zoom out and window the entire drawing and it has changed every single dimension in that one operation. The fastest way to change your dimensions to the correct dimension style, hands down.